Hi everyone, Ethan Smith here, sales representative with Royal LePage Crown Realty Services. And today I get to show you my newest listing here in Dorchester, 8 Manley Drive. This gorgeous family home is tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac in a desirable neighborhood and only a couple minutes away from your 401 access. It's loaded with great features that are sure to impress, and I can't wait for you to see it. Let's take a look inside. Enjoy your off time with family and friends in your beautiful private backyard. For any questions or a private tour, please give me a call. I'm Ethan Smith, and we'll talk to you soon.